Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with Wuxn's WXR. A precision machine that combines quality and style. Let's find out if it's worth the hype. Wuxn's WXR is a premium 3D printer designed and assembled in Fort Collins, Colorado. With its fully assembled package and a series of onboard wizards, this printer aims to make 3D printing a breeze. Retailing at $999, it competes with other popular models like Prusa's MK3S Plus. But with its own unique features and a limited-time sale price of $799, it's definitely worth considering. The WXR arrives with everything you need to get started, including side cutters, a spare bearing, an Allen wrench, and even a full spool of Wuxn PLA. It also comes with a USB flash disk containing a test model, and offers software and a full manual for download on the company's website. The quick start guide makes the setup process a breeze. The WXR features a cyberpunk-inspired design with its custom two-sided build-tack flex plate and gray extrusions. It incorporates premium components such as a dual Z-axis and linear rails, providing precise movement without the need for constant adjustments. The machine also boasts 3 Whisper Quiet fans, a Slice Engineering Copperhead hot end, and a unique 3D printed spool holder for a frictionless filament feed. One of the standout features of the WXR is its remarkable quietness. It turns off all fans while on standby, and even during printing. It operates at a noise level similar to a quiet conversation. This makes it a great choice for those who value a peaceful work environment. Ease of use was a top priority for Wuxn, evident in features like automatic filament loading and streamlined file loading. The extruder has an automatic loading feature that senses when the filament is inserted and pulls it in without the need for manual adjustments. Additionally, the WXR automatically offers to print the most recent file when the SD card is inserted, eliminating the need for menu navigation. The WXR comes fully assembled and undergoes a thorough inspection before shipping, ensuring a high-quality product. It runs an out-of-the-box calibration wizard, guaranteeing a perfect first print. Bed leveling is handled by an induction probe, and the printer guides you through the process step by step. The Wuxn Slicer software, a customized version of Cura, is available for free download and includes pre-tuned filament profiles for exceptional print quality. With the WXR, we experienced great results in our test prints. From a calibration cube to a highly detailed Witcher bust piggy bank, the printer showcased its capabilities. It handled various materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU with ease, providing excellent print quality and minimal stringing. The WXR offers a premium 3D printing experience, combining high-quality components, ease of use, and exceptional print quality. Retailing at $999 with a limited-time sale price of $799. It's not the most budget-friendly option, but it delivers on its promises straight out of the box. However, if you're looking for a more affordable alternative, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro priced at $230 could be worth considering. That concludes our review of the Wuxn WXR 3D printer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.